Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about Project Targets in Scrivener 3 for Windows. This is where you can set word targets for each individual document within your manuscript, for the whole manuscript, and a session target too. To set the manuscript and session targets, click on Project and Project Targets, and simply put the number of words into each of the boxes provided. You'll see that coloured progress bars appear to visually indicate how close you are to that target amount. If you look at the pull-down menu, you can see that words aren't the only way of counting progress. You can use characters and pages too, although I think words is the most useful. If you want to change some of the defaults, click on Options. The draft target is automatically set to count only documents in compile, which is basically what's in your manuscript. If you have a specific number of words you have to keep within, say if you're writing for a specific competition or anthology requirement, perhaps, you could set it to show overrun, so you know when you're getting too wordy. And if you have a deadline, you can enter that too. Just double-click on the individual elements within the cell to change them. And down the bottom, you can show target notifications. These flash up as a big box in the top right of the screen. I'm not sure that's terribly useful. I mean, we all turn notifications off for most things. Well, I do. Under Session Target, you can do things like changing when sessions start and finish, so that you can count all the words you've typed in a day, rather than just when you had Scrivener open at a specific time. To set individual document targets, click into the document and click on the target icon in the bottom right of the screen. Once again, you can enter the required number of words, with minimums and overruns, and show notifications. For individual documents, you can see the progress bar where the target icon was. As for the manuscript, you can see your progress by keeping the pop-up window open or on the toolbar. Hover over this box and you'll see a summary of the stats. Finally, if you don't like the colours on the progress bars, you can change them by going into File, Options, Appearance and Target Progress Bars. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.